After the launch of Motorola One Fusion Plus in India, I am back with my opinions on the smartphone. First of all, talking about the general specification of the device, it comes with 6.5-inch IPS screen with Full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 730G chipset, clocked at 2.2 GHz, which is a really powerful chipset. It comes with a base variant of 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage option. This smartphone has a hybrid SIM card slot. There is a 64 megapixel quad camera setup on the rear side. Up front there is a 16 megapixel pop-up camera, and lastly this smartphone comes with a battery of 5000 mAh, which is capable to charge itself with 18-watt fast charger bundled in the box. So now talking about what are my takes on this smartphone. Talking about the pricing, this smartphone is one of the well-priced smartphone from Motorola in India, which is priced at 16,999 Indian rupee. This smartphone comes with a bunch of camera features, both in terms of images and videos. I'm not gonna spell all the features because that would make this video a lot longer, so all the features are on your screen. This also has some gestures which you may not use that often but are worth mentioning. Those are also on your screen because mentioning those on the video would make the video a lot longer. There is no official IP rating, but the company claims that it has splash-proof body design, which may be similar to the P2I coating used by many different smartphone vendors. This smartphone has LPDDR4 RAM and UFS 2.1 storage, which is really good because UFS 2.1 storage in this price segment is a nice option. The display of this smartphone has HDR10 support. One of the things that really disappointed me about this smartphone is this has a plastic body, which looks and sounds really cheap in 2020 in this price segment. Also, the smartphone is having an IPS display, so don't expect the color accuracy and contrast is the OLED panel. Also worth noting fact is that the smartphone weighs 210 grams, which is slightly on the higher side, so you may not feel as comfortable as other smartphone while holding on your hand. And also this does not comes with a compass support, which is quite strange to see in this era. But at the given price of 16,999, this is definitely one of the options you can look for. But if the price hikes in the future, then there are a lot of Chinese competitors like Xiaomi and Realme fighting in the same price segment. So all in all, my take on this smartphone is this is one of the well-priced smartphone from Motorola, and also you get a stock Android support, so that may also be some attracting feature for some of the users. So this is all I have to say about this smartphone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then one like and subscribe would be appreciated. And this is all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Until my next video, peace.